Uncrewed aerial systems or drones are disruptive technology that are reshaping industries worldwide. Drone use is increasing rapidly, and it's my mission to make drone science entertaining and accessible. Before we start, I want to share something that can transform your drone program. We've worked with over 50 enterprise programs and found the exact factors that separate struggling operations from those that deliver millions in ROI. We've put these insights into our free Enterprise Drone Program Maturity Assessment. It's a $2,500 value. It's designed to show you your program's maturity stage, reveal your top 3 quick wins, and give you a roadmap for growth. Don't miss out on this free opportunity. The link is in the description. Hi, everyone. It's Jason Sansucci of the Do No Drones podcast. I am here in fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada at the Commercial UAV Expo. This is Micro Podcast Episode 8. This will be one you'll want to listen to. I am very lucky to be here with my partner in crime, partner in life, partner in business, founder and CEO of Drone Ops USA, Nicole Corder. Nicole, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Jason. So happy to be here.
I am so happy that you're here. Look, I have one question and one question only. If that leads to a dialogue, so be it. But
It's dialogue.
I will promise to get you out of here in less than 10 minutes. So the question is, there's a lot of things that are going right in the drone industry right now, but I'm curious and our listeners are curious. What is going wrong? What's still going wrong in the drone industry today from your perspective?
Okay. I might rephrase that as to what are some opportunities.
But also be slightly controversial.
Oh, okay. Well, from my perspective, especially in the drone industry and the American market, we still need to communicate better with the public about drones for good.
Okay.
So communication to the general public may have been lacking and may fall sometimes on operators, individual pilots, and maybe that there could be something a little bit larger going on with communications so that it doesn't always hit our pilots. The manufacturing for the U.S. market, we're here at the expo. This expo, by the way, has been like 3 times bigger than it's been before. So there's lots coming up on the market. And I think that we are aware that for American manufacturers, they're coming up and trying to catch up with what's been in the market previously. And so I think that we need to really support regulations to get that market going. And the policy, which everyone I'm sure is talking to you about, Part 108, but policy and governance could be a little more streamlined. And from a small business perspective, just making sure that those regulations are still favorable for small businesses, not just large entities.
No, good insights, Nicole. I appreciate that. So follow-up question. Based on what you've seen here and sort of in the sessions you've been into, and like, what are the opportunities? If you are sort of starting fresh in this, you're building an enterprise program based on where we are sort of today. Because what was interesting about, and I've been discussing this, actually this I've been discussing more often related to Part 108, is when all the VC happened, between 10 and 15 years ago, the promise was BVLOS is 6 months away. It is now 15 years later. It is finally, we have a proposed rule. That's fantastic. This feels like a second chance. I mean, we discuss all the time that you're like, man, this industry seems really interesting. You're right. I believe that we've been a little hamstrung by a lot of different things, particularly, and a little discombobulation related to where people should actually focus. What are your thoughts on that? I mean, because we have a little bit of a second chance. What would you say to people? What should they be actually focusing on if they're building enterprise programs? What should they be focusing on first? What should they, like, is there a process? Is there a program? Are there steps? Like, what do you think?
I think they should be focusing on drones last, tools last, policies, procedures, the reason why you're collecting data. What are you doing with that data? What's your end goal here? So strategy first, policy regulations within that. So you don't start a program and then you invest all this money, you get all this hardware and software, and you can't use it anyway and it's sitting in a closet somewhere. So strategy first, know what you're doing. I mean, why you're doing the program that you're doing, what you're trying to build, and the outcomes you're looking to achieve. And then partner with people who are experts in each link of that chain, with the hardware probably being last, in my opinion.
I feel a pitch coming.
There's no pitch?
Are you sure there's no pitch?
At Drone Ops USA, we provide strategy and strategic partnerships so that enterprise and government programs are built strong and strategic from the ground up.
I believe they need the jingle now. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Drone Ops USA. You heard it here, folks. This is actually the first time I've had my wife on the podcast. And
well, thank you. I'm so happy to be on.
You did an awesome job. I think the listeners will agree that you did great. Thank you so much for being on the show.
Thank you.
Really appreciate it. Did you have fun?
Yeah, this is great.
Right? Isn't that kind of easy? Awesome.
Yeah.
Until next time, until episode number 9, coming up shortly, the Commercial UAV Expo. This is Jason Sansucci with the Do You Know Drones podcast. See you.